You guys don't understand. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ebube, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome. So guys, if you've been following this channel, you'd know that I had traveled and stuff, and then yeah, I just got back like 2 days ago, and then we'll be resuming February 13th. Today is like 28th of January, so it's like 2 weeks to school. So yeah, I have 2 weeks to preparation for school. So this video is just going to be about like my preparations and stuffs like that for school. So yeah guys, I'm so scared. Like, I don't know why I'm so scared. Like, I'm so put under pressure, like for some weird reason. And I think that's because like I've never really mixed school with like content creation, so like it's just putting me under pressure. And then because of that, like this 2 weeks, like this space of 2 weeks, I've been trying to create lots of content. Even right now, this night, see, the time is like past 5. It's like 24 minutes past 5 a.m. I just finished creating content. That's why I'm having like makeup and stuff. But yeah, I've been trying to create lots of content so that like school, I won't be overwhelmed with like school and like trying to still put content out and stuff. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. I don't want this intro to be so long. So first, I have this package that I got ever since December, guys. And it's like a month. I haven't unboxed it because I haven't had time, because I was preparing to like travel and just a whole lot of things, exams at that time. So yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. Yeah, let's unbox. Guys, this is the most painful thing ever. I just broke my nails. Oh my god, this hurts so bad. Guys, my nails hurt so bad. Like, it's so painful. Don't mind my ashy hands, but like it's so painful. But luckily for me, like, it didn't come out with my real nails. Oh my god, it's so cute, guys. I love, you guys don't understand, I love this so much. I'm so obsessed. My baby. And yeah, this is the second one I got. Guys, the texture is 9.5/10. Guys, this is so beautiful, and it's light, like so light, and it's not glass. Like, I love them so much. Hey! Guys, so today I and my friends, like, we had a lot of things to sell to get like new ones. Like, we had like these huge washing machines from our 3 different apartments. Guys, it was just like faulty for some weird reasons. I don't know why our washing machine decided to spoil at the same time. So like each of them had like issues, either with like maybe spinning or draining, or it just had issues, trust me. So we decided to sell it and get like one big washing machine for everyone, but it came small, but you guys will see it though. And yeah, I decided to sell my small fridge. It was also faulty, I don't even remember what happened to it. Oh, like it wasn't freezing, the top part wasn't freezing, and yeah, I decided to like sell it and get a bigger one. So that was us trying to move it from the car of the person that we got it from to our apartment and stuff. Guys, our deal, especially the washing machine, wasn't nice at all. Like it wasn't a good deal in my opinion. But yeah, that was basically what happened today. Most of it that happened today. Guys, shaggy, see what we sold for just a small washing machine. I feel like my deal is the best deal. Guys, I sold my fridge. Which is my fridge? I sold this fridge for that very big fridge.
It's work, cheese, all these things. So there is something to be proud about.
I'm going out with my friends and then we are going grocery shopping. I don't know why I'm excited. Like it's not something I love doing, guys. But yeah, I'll catch you guys. Bye.
So today, Ebube is going to buy groceries for the first time after being in the school.
It's not true. Guys, it's just like 6 months. Don't mind her. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Nah, bro. I saw our taxis here and then like we just put our stuff. Enter. Guys, this wasn't easy. Oh Jesus.
I don't know how many years.
Hey, no, me till I graduate. I don't think it will see me again. No. But yeah, guys, we are done. So the next time you guys will see me, I'll be going to Walmart. But I don't know if it's today. I don't think it's today, guys. No, this place finished us.
Guys, we just met our friends. We went out with them. We went to different locations and we are meeting them
again.
Hey guys! Wait guys!
Wait for us.
We are meant to be. Hasanati.
Yes.
We are meant to be. Like it's official that us together, guys, never apart. Just the 5 of us like this, we are enough.
Yeah.
Us against the world.
I thought maybe you guys would be so tired.
I don't know how much. I mean,
Freelong was nice today. Yeah.
Freelong was nice. We had so much fun. How do you guys
feel from H&M? We're used to our first space now.
Try your plastic bag.
We passed it from Northgate.
We are ready.
Today we are going to Walmart. It's the next day after the first video, you guys. So yeah. So come with us. Bye. Oh god. Okay. Why are you walking like that?
You did alright?
Yeah.
This is heavy.
You guys don't understand.
How much is that thing?
Guys, so we are doing good so far, except that this Mrs. wants to try something that she doesn't like.
Okra. I want to try okra, guys.
And she despises it a lot. I don't know what's tempting her. Oh, see Popo.
Oh, Mama, it's an time crying.
Where? Where are you seeing it? Guys, take your guts.
Hold my hands and stop me. Because
You said you were coming for just 3 things.
I swear. See, I bought all of those things, but what I want, I didn't take it until now.
What do you want? Cheese? Yeah, I think she said
I
cheese.
want cream and cheese.
Oh. I'm done unboxing and I got like this hair. I'm going to be making my hair tomorrow. Today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. So I'm going to be making my hair tomorrow, which is Saturday, again school that is on Monday. And then I got like this cute sweater bottle, guys. I love it. See, I don't know if you can see, but like it's so beautiful. I hope it motivates me to drink water, because I barely drink water. Then it has like this whole time blah blah blah, and yeah, I love it so much. Ooh. And I got like this keychain. I think it's nice. I like it. The last one I had from like the previous semester got broken. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is like the head that was broken. So yeah, I'm going to like attach them together. And guys, I think the best thing out of everything I got today was this. Oh guys, I love this. Like it smells so good. Like it's a scented candle, and then it has like this wooden thing. So that's it. The other things I got, they are not really related to this vlog, like this spice, another spice, and then the rest of the things that, trust me, they're not related to this vlog. So yeah, that's it. So I'll catch you guys. Bye guys. So right now I'm on my way to get like some things. I have like 2 packages, so I'm going to pick them up, and then from there I'll go to the supermarket. But I think we are going to eat first. I'm with my friends. That's Hazel.
Hi.
And that's Rory. Where are you? So we'll catch you guys. Bye. I'm flexing my new hair.
If you don't like it, I'll eat it for you. Drama.
Oh, I want sushi.
Oh, doesn't this look so nice?
Guys, so we are done buying. I got like this, and then I took packages, and we're on our way back to the apartments. So I'll catch you guys. I think yeah, I'm ending this vlog here. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and drop some comments, okay? And also stay tuned for my next video. I think my next video is going to be like school kind of thing, because yeah, tomorrow is the first time that we'll be going to class for years. Guys, are you guys excited?
Yes. No, not at all. No. We are.
So yeah, stay tuned for the vlog. Bye.